Imagine someone tells you you can become fluent in English in only 7 days. Would you believe them? Probably not. But what if I tell you something different? What if I tell you that 7 days is enough to completely change your English learning habits? Not your English level, your habits. And sometimes changing your habits changes everything. Think about it. If you want to lose weight, you don't lose 20 pounds in 1 week. But you can build the habits that will help you lose 20 pounds later. Learning English works exactly the same way. Today, I want to show you how 7 simple days can completely change your future English. Let's begin.
Yes, I can!
Day 1. Stop studying. Start using. The first mistake most learners make is studying English instead of using English. They read grammar books. They memorize long vocabulary lists. They watch complicated lessons, but they almost never use English. Think about a child. A child doesn't study grammar. A child listens. A child copies. A child speaks, even if they make mistakes. Today, don't study for 1 hour. Instead, use English for 10 minutes. Describe your room. Describe your breakfast. Talk to yourself. Read simple sentences aloud. Using English is always better than only studying English. Day 2. Listen more than you read. Many learners only read English, but real conversations happen with your ears. Listening teaches your brain how English really sounds. Today, listen to slow English for at least 20 minutes. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Your brain is learning patterns. Children don't understand every word either. They simply keep listening. After enough listening, everything becomes easier. Day 3. Forget perfect grammar. This may surprise you. Grammar is important, but grammar is not the first step. Communication comes first. Imagine you travel to another country. Someone asks, "Are you hungry?" You answer, "Yes, I'm hungry." Is your grammar perfect? No. Does anyone understand? Yes. That's communication. Don't wait until your grammar becomes perfect. Speak today. Improve tomorrow. Day 4. Repeat everything. One of the fastest ways to improve English is repetition. Don't always search for new lessons. Sometimes repeat yesterday's lesson. Listen again. Read again. Speak again. The second time, your brain notices more. The third time, you remember more. The fourth time, it starts feeling natural. Repetition is not boring. It is how memory grows. Day 5. Think in English. Many learners do something like this. First, they think in their native language. Then, they translate. Finally, they speak English. This process is slow. Instead, practice thinking directly in English. Start with easy things. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I need coffee. This weather is beautiful. Little by little, your brain will stop translating. This is a huge step toward fluency. Day 6. Make English part of your life. English should not only exist inside your notebook. Bring English into your daily routine. Change your phone language. Watch YouTube in English. Listen while cooking. Listen while walking. Read simple posts. Write your shopping list in English. Small action every single day create amazing results. You don't need more motivation. You need better habits. Day 7. Stop comparing yourself. This is probably the most important day. Many learners quit because they compare themselves with others. Someone speaks faster. Someone knows more words. Someone has a better accent. But remember this: you are not learning their English. You are building your own English. Compare yourself with yesterday. Can you understand one more sentence? Can you say one more word? Can you speak for 10 more seconds? If the answer is yes, you are improving. That is enough. The biggest secret. Now, let me tell you the biggest secret. Fluent speakers are not people who never make mistakes. They are people who never stop using English. They continue speaking. They continue listening. They continue learning every single day. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is consistency. One day doesn't change your life. 7 days don't change your life. But 7 days can change your habits, and your habits can change your future. Final message. So, can you become fluent in English in 7 days? No. But you can become a different English learner in 7 days. A learner who listens every day. A learner who speaks every day. A learner who is not afraid of mistakes. A learner who enjoys the journey. And that learner will become fluent one day. Not because of talent, not because of luck, but because they never stopped.
Let's do this!
Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this slow English podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Easy English Real World. Tell me in the comments, which one of these 7 habits will you start today? I can wait to read your comments. I will see you in the next Slow English podcast. Take care, keep listening, keep speaking. And remember, every small step brings you closer to fluency. Bye for now.